Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, today in this class, we are going to solve questions of reasoning which has been previously asked in the examination. So friends, total 7 questions we will be solving today. Question number 1 is from syllogism, then blood relation, and then decision making, and then we have a small puzzle, and then we have a question from the set theory, and then we have a question from again the letters, and finally we have a question from the ranking test. Okay, so all this problem will be very important, so watch the video till the end so that you will be able to understand reasoning is really a very easy topic if your concept is clear. Okay, so let us start with the question number 1. So question number 1, basically we will be solving using Venn diagram. Okay, so we'll be using Venn diagram to solve this syllogism question. Okay, now so some pens are pencil. So what they are saying, some pens are pencil. Okay, so some part of pen is nothing but pencil, right? Done. See, some part of pen and pencil, both they are sharing this particular place. That is the reason we are saying some pens are in pencil and some pencils are in pen. So some pens are pencil, and then all pencils are book. So all pencils are inside the book. So this is my book, right? So all pencils are inside the book. So this is my book, and you can see now we are done with the basic Venn diagram for this particular question, right? So this we are done with. So what are the conclusion that we need to check it now? Okay, so let me pick some other color pen. Okay, so some books are pen. So let us see. So you could see books and pen, right? So they both are sharing some common place. So some part of book is in pen and some part of pen is in book. So we can say some books are pen is very much true, very much correct. So your conclusion 1 follows. Now all pens are book. Friends, if you want to say all pens are book, then all pens should be inside the book. All pens should be inside the book. But here if you see all pens are inside the book, no, it is not there. So conclusion 2 is false. Okay, then all pencils are pen. So again all pencils should be inside the pen. See, if all pencil if it is inside the pen, then only we will say this particular diagram, this conclusion will satisfy. But here you can see, so pen and pencil, we have only relation is some pen is pencil or some pencil is pen. So conclusion 3 will be also wrong. So if we have to select one of the option out of this 4, then we will be selecting only conclusion 1 follows, right? So question number 1, the answer is option 4. Now the second question, friends, is a question from the blood relation. And for your information, I will tell you. So if you are solving the question of reasoning, then blood relation is one of the very important topic which you should and must cover. Okay, so which you should and must have a very good hold at that. So here in a certain code, they have given a plus b means a is the father of b, a minus b means a is the mother of b, a multiplication b means a is the brother of b, and a divided by b means a is a daughter of b. Then what is the meaning of n minus k divided by o plus l multiplication m? Okay, so basically we need to draw a blood relation tree. So if we draw a blood relation tree, then easily we will be able to solve this particular problem. So n minus k. Now so a minus b is what? A is the mother of b. So here n will become the mother of k. So n will become the mother of k. I am giving minus sign here to differentiate that minus is used for female, okay, and plus is used for male. So that is the reason I am giving the symbol here. Okay, so a minus b is nothing but a is the mother of b. So n minus k is nothing but n is the mother of k, right? Okay, k divided o. So k divided o means k is the daughter of o, right? So k will be nothing but the daughter of o. So it is very much clear that if n is female, then o will be male, and they will be husband wife, and that is the reason their daughter is k. See, for k, kn is the mother and o will definitely be father, because o will be married to n is female, so o will be male. Okay, so this is done. O plus l. So O plus L. So plus is what? A is father of B. So O is father of L. O is also father of L. So K and L will becomes siblings, right? So L might be female or male, that we don't know till now. So if you don't know anything, please do not put. But right now we know K and L are sisters or brother sister, right? Okay. Now L cross M. So L cross M or L multiplication M. So L is the brother of M. So from here we came to know the gender of L. So L will be nothing but male because L is the brother of M. But the gender of M is not given in the question. So if the gender of M is not given in the question, you do not have to worry. Okay. You have to be very clear that gender of M is not given. Do not put some gender from your side. Okay. Now, so which of the options is true? K is the brother of M. So K is not brother, K is sister of M. N is the mother of M. So N is the mother of M. Yes. So N is the mother of M is true. M is the son of K. No, this is not true. Gender of M is not given. So we cannot say anything. M is the sister of L. We don't know. See, the gender of M is not given. So we cannot comment anything about M, right? M will be male or female, that we really do not know. So only option B. So which of, then what is the meaning of this expression? So meaning of this expression is nothing but N is the mother of M. Okay, fine. Now friends, so let us move towards the next problem. So question number 3 is a question from decision making, and most of the student, because they have not done this kind of problem, so they will get confused in the examination, but you do not have to worry at all. Okay, it's a simple question. So the following are the criteria for the selection of computer professional in an organization. So what are the criteria? So if a company basically wanted to hire a computer professional, then these are the below criteria. Criteria is, so you have to be a computer engineer or MCA, and minimum you should have scored 65% of the marks. Okay, and if you have scored at least 75% marks in the selection test, and not be less than 22 years of age on 1/1/2021. So friends, if you satisfy all these three criteria, if you fulfill all these three criteria, then your selection in the computer professional in an organization will happen. But if you don't satisfy any these three criteria, then you will not be qualified. Now, there is one very important line written here. In case of a candidate who satisfy all the above criteria except, okay friends, basically, so according to the rule of the company, if you follow all three, then you will be a computer professional in that organization. But they have given some leverage. Okay, so in case of a candidate who satisfy suppose two criteria or one criteria, okay, then what will be the impact on their selection? See, in such cases, their case can be referred to general manager. Their case can be referred to some department, so they will have to take action on that. Okay, now let us see. So in case of a candidate who satisfy all the above criteria except, so first one, okay, so here okay, here first one, right? So friends, suppose if somebody fulfills both B and C criteria but does not fulfill criteria A, in that case, so if somebody fills both the criteria but A he does not fulfill, in that case, so be a computer engineering or MCA having 65% of the marks. Okay, but the minimum, so if he does not satisfy, if he or she does not satisfy the criteria number one, but if he or she has 1 year of experience in IT field, minimum 1 year of experience in IT field, then his or case to be referred to the IT department head. So now IT department head will have to take a decision, they should select that particular student or not. Okay, so he or she fulfills both the criteria, but first criteria does not fulfill, but he has minimum of 1 year of experience, then in that case his case will be referred to the IT department head. So many of them will not be able to understand this point exactly. Okay, now at C, so if somebody fulfills criteria A, B, but does not fulfill criteria C, in that case, so but has secured more than 85% in the selection test. So if somebody age is not less than 22 years, but if somebody has scored 85% in the selection test, then his her case is referred to the general manager of the recruitment team. Okay, now the question has been asked to you. Niti Verma, a computer engineer, passed with 63% of the marks. So C is not fulfilling the criteria 1. Okay, at the age of 20 years in July 2019. Okay, so she completed 20 years in July 2019. Okay, so in July 2021, July 2020, she will be completing 20 years of the age. Okay, in July 2021, she will be completing the age of 22 years. That means in June 2020, in January 2021, her age will be less than 22. So her age will be less than 22. And what has been said here? So not be less than 22 years of age on 1/1/2021. Okay, so she does not fulfill two criteria. Okay, she worked in an IT programmer for 3 years part-time and 1 year on full-time basis. She has secured 76% of the marks in the selection test. What decision would be taken in her case? Okay, now, so friends, if you do not fulfill the criteria third, then you should have scored 85% marks in the selection test. Then you should have scored 85% marks in the selection test, where she has not scored that. So in that case, she would not be selected. Okay, in that case, she would not be selected. Okay, so I hope this decision making question will be clear to you. Now, friends, this is a small puzzle question. And friends, before that, I wanted to tell you. So friends, from today, so live aptitude reasoning for all placement exam 1 month crash course is going to start. Okay. And friends, what is the good thing about this course is, so friends, if you'll see the content, so we have given 2 test series. So what you can do is, so you can write the test series, okay, before getting enrolled in the course. So this is a free course. Okay, the link will be also given in the description. So you can write the test and you can see here a status will be available. So whoever has written, so you can see Jayasri is on the top. She has scored 21.25. Okay, grade A, rank 6. Okay, so your rank will be also displayed here, right? Okay, so among the student, those who have taken the test till now. So friends, after you take the test, okay, attend the classes. Okay, attend the classes is the paid one and just 249 rupees. And then again you write the test. So you will be able to see the difference in the rank and the difference in the knowledge what you have. So friends, get it today, because we have increased the number of seats by only 10. So earlier we had kept 100. Now the seats are 10 more seats are open. So you can get it by today. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to enroll it. And this course comes only once in the 6 months. So if you are preparing for Accenture, Infosys, Wipro, TCS, for all examination, this course is going to help you. So 7 objects A, B, C, D, X, Y, and Z are kept on top of each other in cupboard. Okay, so basically you have 7 objects here, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have total 7 objects here. Y is immediately over A. So Y is immediately over A. Is not immediately below D, but so Y is just above A, but not immediately below D. C is at the bottommost shelf, so C is fixed here. Okay, C is at the bottommost shelf. D is kept above B and Y. So D is kept above B and Y. So somewhere B will come here. Okay, then X is just below A. So X is just below A and has Z below it. So X is just below A and below X, Z is there. So what I will do, I will try this. So X, Z, A, Y. Okay. And what they are saying is, so D is kept below B and Y. Okay. So D is kept above, sorry, D is kept above B and Y. So Y is here. So definitely B, I will have to put it here. Then only D will be kept above B and Y. Now you can read once. So all the criteria we have satisfied. Okay. So Y is immediately over A. So Y is immediately over A, done. Okay, but not immediately below D. So Y is not immediately below D. That is also done. C is at the bottommost shelf. So C is at the bottommost shelf. D is kept above B and Y. So D is kept above B and Y. That is also true. X is just below A and has Z below it, and X below is nothing but Z, and C is at the bottom. So all conditions satisfy. Which object is in middle? So 3 up and 3 down. So definitely A is in middle. So option D will be correct because A is in middle. Okay. So I hope this will be clear to you. Now, friends, question number 5 is from set theory. Okay. From set theory. So of the 200 candidates, so total 200 candidates are there who were interviewed for a position at call center. 100 had two-wheelers. Okay. 70 has credit card and 140 has mobile phones. Okay. Now 40 of them had both a two-wheeler and a credit card. So there are 40 people are there who had both two-wheeler and credit card. Okay, 30 had both credit card and mobile. 60 had both two-wheeler and mobile phone. Okay, and 10 has all three. So 10 has two-wheeler, credit card and mobile. So how many candidates had none of the three? So friends, you know the formula P. Okay, so here I will write two-wheelers. How should I write? Okay, so I'll write T, two-wheeler. Okay, and then credit card and then mobile. So this is a set theory formula. So P T union C, C union M. P T union C union M will be equal to P two-wheeler plus P credit card plus P mobile plus I'm sorry, you will write minus first here. So P T union C, I means two-wheelers and credit card, P credit card and mobile minus P mobile and two-wheeler, and plus the people those who have two-wheeler, credit card and mobile. Okay, now so friends, what is the meaning of this particular term? So P T union C union M, that means this many people have any, at least these many people have at least one of three. So this many people have at least one of three. Okay, so be very clear, friends. The meaning of P T union C union M means these many people have minimum at least one of three. So the question they are asking, how many candidates have none of the three? So none of the three means basically we need to calculate P T union C union M dash. Okay, which will be nothing but total minus what we are calculating. Suppose this is X, this is nothing but X. Okay, now so PT, how many of them is having two-wheelers? So it is 100. How many of them have having credit card? 70. How many of them having mobile? 140. How many of them having both two-wheeler and credit card? 40. How many of them having credit card and mobile? 30. How many of them is having mobile and two-wheeler? 60. How many of them have all three? 10. Now, so this will be 100 and 140, 240 plus 70, 310 plus 10, 320 minus 100 plus 30, 130. So it is nothing but 190. So there are 190 people are there who are having at least one of the three, either credit card or two-wheeler or mobile. They are asking how many of them does not have any one of that. So 200 minus 190 will be nothing but 10. So 10 means option C will be the correct answer for this particular problem. This is a question from the set theory based on a simple formula. Now friends, question number 6. So in which of the 5 pair of letter cluster, the letters in the second term are a rearranged transformed form of the letters in the first term in a particular pattern? In which 2 pair has a transformation been done in the same way? So this is a very simple question. So friends, what you do, you can do it in a very simple way. I will tell you. So you just mark it. See, it is PROUD. So think that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, so how it is rearranged? So this is second letter. So write 2. D is nothing but fifth letter. U is nothing but fourth letter. And P is nothing but first letter. And O is nothing but 3 letter. Then write So I is nothing but second letter, H is nothing but fourth letter, T is nothing but fifth letter, R is first letter, and G is third letter. Then share. So okay. So share, you can see H. H is nothing but second letter, then third letter, R is nothing but fourth letter, S is nothing but first letter, E is nothing but fifth letter. Then here O. O is nothing but second letter, H is nothing but fifth letter, G is nothing but fourth letter, T is first letter, U is third letter. Then here M, third letter, Y, fifth letter, P, fourth letter, W, first letter, I, second letter. Now friends, you can see which two are common. So you can see A and D, right? So A and D. So 25413, 25413. So you can give your answer option C. So A and D are the two letter cluster out of this, where, so I mean the 5 pairs of the letter cluster which has the same kind of transformation. So for question number 6, option C will be the correct answer. Okay, now question number 7, friends. So given below is a, so I will tell you, so this is a question of ranking test, and this will be asked as in the form of data sufficiency. So given below is a question followed by two statements, 1 and 2. Okay, each containing some information. Decide which of the following statement is are sufficient to answer the question. So how many people are there in the queue? So you have to tell how many people are there in the queue, not exactly the number. I mean, which statement will help you to tell. Okay, so you just have to tell that how many people are there in the queue. Okay, so option 1, statement 1 or statement 2, which will be able to tell you that okay, this statement can tell you the answer. Friends, before that I wanted to tell you, so many of you watch the complete video and we are also helping you a lot with the job updates and your preparation, but we see many of you are not subscribing. So I request all of you to please do subscribe. That is what our motivation is. So then we feel okay, more and more people are watching that and they want it, and that is the reason we put a lot of effort. So even though you would have seen in many of my videos, I'll be keep sweating, but I make video for you guys. So definitely a small kind of appreciation. So either in the form of subscription. So just subscribe the YouTube channel and share with your friends so that our effort, our genuine and honest efforts should reach to each and everyone. Okay, now so let us take statement 1. So statement 1, Rishi has 13 people ahead of him in queue. So Rishi has 13 people ahead of him in the queue. Okay, then, and Nitin has 14 people behind him. Where is Nitin? We don't know Nitin is here. We don't know Nitin is here. We don't know Nitin is here, right? So I mean, just before or just after or some 2 places away or some 2 places ahead, we don't know. So when we don't know where Nitin is placed, we also cannot tell, right, how many people are there in this row. Okay, then second one, Nitin is 15th in the queue from either end. So there will be 2 end will be there. So from this end also Nitin is 15th, and from this end also Nitin is 15th. So it is very clear, behind Nitin we have 14 student, after Nitin also we have 14 student. So 14 plus 14 and 1 Nitin itself. So there is total 29 students in the row. So how many people are there in the queue? So you don't have to tell, but basically we have also calculated 29. And for this question, the answer will be statement 2 alone is sufficient to tell that what will be the number of people in the queue. So friends, these 7 questions are very, very important because you might have definitely understood a lot of concepts, and these are the questions which will always create problem. So I hope you understood this. Thanks a lot, friends, for watching the video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, keep liking the video, subscribing, and share it with your friends. Thank you.